This video is on percentage discounts. What makes these questions a little trickier is that instead of working out the discount and subtracting it from the original price, we've been given an item that has already been discounted and we want to find what the original price was. So this question, John paid $350 for a camera that was 30% off the original price. What was the original price? In this question, the 30% doesn't represent 30% of the original price. That represents the discount that has been applied. So what we're going to do is let the original price be equal to 100%. And we're going to subtract the discount, which was 30%, leaving us with 70%. So this number, or this amount of $350, is actually 70% of the original price. So now we really need to simplify the question and make it into an equation so we can actually work out the answer. So we've got that it was 70% of the original price, so we're going to use that percentage to work out the original price. So what is the question actually asking us? It's asking us $350 is 70% of which number? And I'm going to use a variable in this case and say which number. I'm going to call that n. If we turn this into an equation, that is going to be $350 means equal to, now 70%, it's going to be easier in this case to work with a decimal, so I'm going to change 70% into a decimal as 0.7. I'm going to make it 0.70 so you can see the connection. Of is the same as times by n, because it's 70% of n, which was the original price. The last thing we need to do is use opposite operations to get n on its own. So I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 0.7. So if I divide this side of the equation by 0.7 or 0.70, I'll need to divide this side of the equation by 0.7 or 0.70 as well. That will cancel out the 0.7 from both sides, leaving n on its own. And then if I perform the equation 350 divided by 0.7, I get the answer of, and just let me use my pen, $500. And I'll work that one out on my calculator. So that is how you work out the original price once a percentage discount has been applied.